Historically, organizations have gauged the success of programs and projects by whether they're implemented on time, within budget, and deliver the required outputs, outcomes, and benefits. In many cases, however, organizations struggle to demonstrate a return on their investment in change. This leads to the recognition that true success is only possible if the program or project was the right initiative to implement in the first place, contributed to strategic objectives, and if the outcome represents value for money. Portfolio management addresses these issues by providing the mechanisms for translating strategic objectives into an appropriate set of programs and projects or change initiatives. It facilitates effective delivery and benefits realization and captures and applies lessons learned. Portfolio management has several objectives. Firstly, it aims to ensure that existing change initiatives, as well as those in the development pipeline, represent the optimum allocation of resources in the context of the organization's strategic objectives, available resources, and risk or achievability. Secondly, it must judge whether the portfolio is sufficient to achieve strategic objectives. At the same time, it needs to make sure all initiatives are necessary to achieve the desired contribution to strategic objectives. Then, it must ensure that the selected change initiatives are delivered effectively and cost-efficiently, and that the potential benefits are realized. Experience shows that portfolio management is most effective when applied to the organization's investment in programs and projects as a whole. This encompasses internal business change, infrastructure, and enabling initiatives, as well as improvements in products and customer services. Consequently, the focus in this course is on the organization's collective investment in programs and projects that contribute to the achievement of strategic objectives and business priorities. Nevertheless, improvements will be seen wherever it is applied, at unit, divisional, or functional level, although such approaches should be compatible with the organizational level framework. In this regard, it's important to recognize that while the discipline is derived from developments in the financial security sector, much of the practice to date has taken place in the fields of information technology, or IT, and new product development, or NPD. However, the lessons learned are increasingly being applied in a wider organizational context.